6 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1. Very simple. 6, 2 plus 1 will give us 3 times this 2, which is what? 6. Divided by 6, which is equals to 1. But this answer is very wrong. Why is it wrong? We omitted a rule called order of operation. And the order of operation rule states that it's PEMDAS, PEMDAS. PEMDAS, this rule means this is parenthesis, exponent. Exponent also means square root, and it also means raised to power. Multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and X is for what? Subtraction. And these rules tell us that we are going to solve this equation from left to right. Why? Because that's how to solve the equation. And take note, this division and multiplication have equal priority, right? So when you are solving, whichever one comes first, if you meet multiplication first, you solve. If you meet the division first, you solve, as long as you are following the rules from left to right. So let's follow the rules to see our correct answer. So first of all, we have to solve the parentheses first, which is this. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Remember, when you have a number close to parentheses, you multiply, which is this 2. Then our division. Now we have two operators, division and multiplication. So we are solving from left to right. So we have to do this division first. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3 times this 3, which is equals to what? 9. And 9 is our final answer.